What is a home warranty for, and do you really need one? That's what we're covering next. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time and you want to know anything and everything about Orlando and real estate, be sure to subscribe. I post videos every Monday and you do not want to miss out. Home warranty. Oh my goodness. I get questions from a lot of my clients. I suggest to buy a home warranty and they all ask the same question. What is that for? I have homeowners insurance. Where are my friends? Let me tell you. Homeowners insurance is completely different from home warranty. A homeowner's insurance, it covers big stuff, big things like the structure of your home. If there's fire, if the hurricane comes and takes your home. The home warranty covers those unforeseen everyday expenses of home ownership. You know, things like appliances, your stove, your refrigerator, your microwave, your dishwasher, the stuff in your kitchen. Home warranty will cover, you know, if you have plumbing issues in your home, if you have electrical issues in your home, and if you have a pool, it will cover things like your pool pump, your pool heater. There are many different home warranty companies, so whichever one you choose really doesn't matter. They all have different packages. You just have to choose the package that fits your needs. If you have a townhouse and you don't have a pool, you are not going to pay the same price as someone who has a single family home with a pool. I have used 4 different home warranty companies. If I test them and they are bad, then most likely I'm not going to pass them on to my client when they ask for a suggestion, which a lot of them do. They also have what they call a core fee. Core fee is a fee that you pay every time you call them to come over and repair or fix something on your home warranty list. For example, if your pool pump is not working and you call your home warranty to come and take a look at it, they will charge you anywhere usually between $75 or $100 depending on the package you have. The package I have is $100. First, I asked my pool guy if it's something big, because I do not want to pay $100 if it only cost me $50 to fix. That's what the home warranty is for. Here in Florida, the biggest expense that the home warranty companies experience are air condition. The air conditions here in Florida in the summer are huge expenses. If that air condition of yours breaks down in the middle of the summer and all of a sudden you need to come up with $3,000 to buy a new AC, yeah, you will wish you had that home warranty, because that home warranty will charge you $75 or $100. Fix your air condition, and if they cannot fix it, they will actually replace it. So depending on the package you choose, the highest package I have paid myself because of the pool and spa has been $800. I'm sure people that have things like septic tank or things like that may pay a little bit more. So there may be a chance that you may or may not use it, but for those people with older homes, it is a safer way to protect yourself from spending a lot of money on your home maintenance. A lot of my investors, they also choose home warranties. Most of them are in England or they are in Canada and they don't have a management company. They usually have a home warranty company, and the tenant will reach out to the home warranty company when repairs are needed or when something is broke. And the home warranty company will send out, their repair person. So if you are an investor, it is definitely a much cheaper option for maintenance. If you have more questions about home warranties and specifically which companies I have used or which companies may be better than others, subscribe and comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week.